It's a very two-stage, kind of like, you know, it's an Audi A8 L, I believe. It's very tight and difficult, but should get done. It's gonna get done. Two-stage peel board, got my front back pattern. I already heat shrunk the pattern because I don't want no fingers on this two-stage, because it is a very difficult install, as I already mentioned. I don't want no problems. Okay. Okay. Then check this out. You can touch the film without touching the window film. Let's lay it there. Let's do that. Okay, let's go ahead and do this. Meanwhile, get it situated in that corner. Right here, slide it back. All right, this is going good according to plan. There it is. Right there is a little bit tight, but that's why I put enough liquid. And check this out. Okay, we're good. Oh, good. It is laminated glass, so I don't want to stress it too much with pushing too much or this or that. Okay. Okay. There on the side, we'll manage it with one of our cards that don't scratch, because it has some of this nice slip tape that I modified. I would highly recommend you do that. Check it on the outside. I'm gonna need one with more reach. I have another one with a lot more reach. And thank God, went on real nice without any problem with a card, of course. There you go. Same thing here. And all right, let's go ahead and roll it up. Don't disturb this too much, because then you're gonna crease it or whatever. Roll it up. Everything's going good there. Okay, we're almost done. I don't have a whole lot of room to mess around with that area, but I'm still like to clean whatever came up. Okay. Now we do that number. Pull from here, and then this way, right? Pull this way. There you go. It's still not gonna be easy. Don't think it's just cake like somebody says. Not cake. Okay. Took it from under. Come to that right now. Unfortunately, this is a computer pattern and I didn't check it, and it's long. I'm gonna have to trim it there. Okay. Okay. Oh man, talk about a long pattern. All right. All right, thank God we have success there. And let's go ahead and do this number right here. If I hadn't heat shrunk this pattern, I would have been fucking fried. I would have been dead in the water. That's for sure. There's no cake. Where it said cake or easy peasy, send me some of that cake. I would like to have some. That's for sure. To the bottom, all the way to the bottom. I'm gonna let that dry because it's laminated, and I'll heat it up from inside. That's the way it looks from the outside. A little crinkle. We'll have to take care of it. Everything else looks pretty good. Just that thing. Nothing over here. Real nice. And that's about it. Just clean it up and do the back door.